is about writ. It is an important topic for competitive examinations. Article 32 will talk about the right to constitutional remedies. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called Article 32 as the soul of the Constitution and the very heart of it. The Supreme Court has ruled that Article 32 is a basic feature of the Constitution. It confers the right to remedies for the enforcement of the fundamental rights of an aggrieved citizen. There are 5 types of writs. The Constitution provided 5 types of writs to the citizen to safeguard their fundamental rights. They are habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, quo warranto. Now we will discuss each of it individually. Habeas corpus. Its literal meaning is to have the body of. The purpose of the habeas corpus is to direct the release of a person who is detained unlawfully. Habeas corpus can be issued against public authorities and private individuals. Habeas corpus cannot be issued against lawful detention. The proceeding is for contempt of a legislature or a court. Detention outside the court jurisdiction and detention is by a competent court. The mandamus writ literally means we command. The purpose of the mandamus is to direct a public authority to perform his or her official duty. Mandamus can be issued against public authority, corporation, an inferior court, tribunal, and government. Mandamus cannot be issued against private individual or body, a discretionary duty, contractual obligation, president and governor, chief justice of high court acting in a judicial capacity. The writ prohibition literally means to forbid. The purpose of issuing the writ prohibition is it will be issued by a higher court to a lower court or tribunal to prevent the latter from exceeding its jurisdiction or usurping a jurisdiction that it does not possess. Prohibition. The writ prohibition can be issued against judicial, quasi-judicial authorities. The writ prohibition cannot be issued against administrative authorities, legislative bodies, and private individuals or bodies. It means that the writ prohibition will be issued by the High Court to a lower court only. Certiorari. Its literal meaning is to be certified. It will be issued by a higher court to a lower court or tribunal to quash the order passed by the latter in a case. It can be issued against judicial, quasi-judicial authorities. The writ certiorari cannot be issued against administrative authorities, legislative bodies, and private individual or bodies. The writ quo warranto literally means by what authority or warrant. It will be issued to prevent illegal usurpation of public office by a person. It can be issued against in case of a substantive public office of a permanent character created by a statute or by the Constitution. It cannot be issued against ministerial office or private office.